Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. One of my favorite videos to do are taking big categories from Amazon, like Amazon Beauty, Amazon Furniture, Amazon Toddler Finds, and making an entire video just sharing those. One video that I haven't done in a very long time is Amazon home organization favorites. I have an entire tab on my Amazon shop. I am a huge proponent of organizing and cleaning and decluttering in the new year. I feel like it kicks off the year in such an amazing way, and it just feels good to organize your house like in January instead of in the spring. So today I wanted to share, I'm gonna go around our entire house, open all the closets, show you all the things that have truly helped us so much. So I'm super excited to get into today's video. You can also follow me on Instagram for more, and you can subscribe. I've been posting so many more Amazon videos than usual. What do y'all think about my little grandma Jackie Kennedy sweater? Because I actually kind of love it. Anyway, that's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. Starting off with something that a lot of people could benefit from having. I had no idea how to properly store hats after moving in with my husband. I found this on Amazon. You get 2 for $9. You clip it onto a hanger and you get all these little clips to put all your hats. We have it by our Entryway, and now we don't have hats anywhere else. It has been a game changer. I shared this back in 2019 and it was consistently a bestseller, and then honestly I forgot about it when we moved into our house, and I recently put it back in our laundry room, and y'all, such a game changer. No more bags inside of bags. And if you also grew up in a household where your parents had a lot of plastic bags that they saved from grocery trips, get them one of these. That's what I did for my parents, and it has helped so much. For months I was so frustrated with our power tool situation because we had no place to store them. We don't have a garage or like a utility room. Where I found this on Amazon, it was $34, and y'all, it has changed my life. Like, it's amazing being able to see everything. My husband knows exactly where things are. He keeps it organized, and it mounts to the wall so it doesn't take any valuable space in our very crowded laundry room. If you're a renter or have a smaller kitchen or need more storage space in your laundry room, I highly recommend this magnetic rack. It's so strong. I've put like full-on detergents on it. I love the fact that it has a rod for paper towels. It's super useful, so you don't have to drill holes or anything like that, and you can easily hide it on the side of your fridge or your laundry machine. I absolutely love and swear by these under the bed storage bags. They're huge, but they are thin enough. I also saw today that they sell a 4-pack for 29 bucks, which is such a steal. You can see I have a lot of Olivia's clothing, just like random stuff. Like I have the carrier because we're not done having babies yet, but I also don't need this stuff, hopefully for a little bit. So great for holiday decor, seasonal decor, or just clothing that you don't really need to see all the time. This is what they look like under the bed. If anyone's curious, we have a California King and we can fit 2 of them perfectly fine. This year I was on the hunt to find the perfect ornament storage bags. I have a lot of these bigger ornament balls, ornaments that don't fit in the 3-inch. These, I believe, are the largest ones they offer, and it came with 4 of these very nice, very sturdy boxes. They also fit under the bed. This is what they look like. I just rearranged them like this. And if you're wondering like if they get squished or anything like that, it does not touch it. As you can see, it has a lot of space before it will ever touch them. So highly recommend. I talked about this recently. This drink dispenser for our fridge has been incredible for us. I cannot believe it's under $40, and you can adjust how many you get depending on the size of your fridge or the space that you have available. Of course, it looks really nice, but it actually freed up a ton of room in our fridge. Now we have all our drinks in one place. As far as fridge containers go, I highly recommend the one for wine. They're stackable and they let your bottles down. I also really like this one. This one came in a pack with a bunch of them. This is one of them. You kind of put condiments and things like that. And then these drawers, I also got a 2-pack. I just have one in the pantry right now. This, we put some of Olivia's snacks. If you feel like your kitchen cabinets are not very functional, I highly recommend checking out some of these cabinet inserts from Amazon. And cheaper than like buying custom cabinets or something like that. It's like a very easy fix. This is one of my favorites because, as you can see, we have a lot of stuff going on under the kitchen sink. this slides in and out, and it created so much more storage. And once again, it's just very functional for us. All you have to do with this is just measure the height and width of your cabinet to make sure it fits. Here's another one. A very good organizer that I really needed on this kitchen is for cutting boards and thinner stuff. That way I can see everything instead of stacking them on top of each other. This one we haven't drilled in because we really need to repaint our cabinet, so it's a long story. This one has 2 trash cans. It works so well. I freaking love this one. We only keep recycling in here so it doesn't smell bad or anything. Such a game changer. I absolutely love and swear by this bottle organizer. I love the fact that I can stack them. They come in 2 packs and you can adjust them depending on the height of your cabinet. And it lets me see all my bigger tumblers and things like that rather than having them all stuffed in the back of a cupboard. This is one of those things that not only looks nicer, but it is so functional and so much better than the packaging it comes with. So this is a dispenser for your foil, your wax paper, your plastic wrap, and it cuts it seamlessly. And then next to it I have the same idea, but this is for Ziploc bags and sandwich bags and storage bags like that. I really love these food storage containers from Target, but they're like $5 to $10 a piece. So instead, the majority of our food is in these Amazon containers. They come in a 24 pack for $30. They're usually on sale. They're airtight. I love all the different sizes. The little ones are great for condiments or baking supplies. The big ones are great for cereal and pasta. They work great and they look nice. I like the idea of decanting just because it's so much better to organize something when everything is the same size and looks the same. So I got this $24 pack of jars, and then I bought $9 labels that look even better, and now they all fit in a drawer. And something we needed a place for was bread in our kitchen. I hated looking at bread packaging, so we have this bread box that was $20. It's metal, it looks so much nicer, and it's huge. We put tortillas, we put tostadas, we put bread, croissants, like anything that I don't want to see on the countertop, it goes in there. These stackable drawers are great for storing anything. I like using mine for Tide Pods and like laundry stuff, but also I have some under the kitchen sink for dishwasher pots. I've seen people use them for makeup. They sell 2 different sizes and all of the sizes stack on top of each other. This one might be one of the most controversial / unnecessary ones, but it was a necessity for me, so I wanted to share with y'all. We had a very messy medicine cabinet, so many different size bottles, nothing worked together, hard to find things. So I decided one day to decant everything and put them in these airtight glass jars with the wooden lids. Not only do they look so pretty, I mean this looks so nice, but now everything is one size. I can find everything I need and they are out of Olivia's reach. I swear by these rotating Lazy Susans. I think they are amazing to store all kinds of products. That way you can see all that you have without having to sort through things from our kitchen to our bathrooms to my beauty stuff and the office. I think they are such a good addition to any room. Another Lazy Susan that I love is this one. This one is more decorative, so it works better for like a bathroom or for your vanity. I have all my skincare here, but the rotating part is just such a game changer because you're able to see everything. And this one does come in different colors and different shapes. Been using these to organize intimates. I have socks, undies, and then bras and hair stuff and things like that here. These come in a pack for $12 and they come with like different sizes. They are also completely collapsible and they like store completely flat. I also like to use these for baby onesies and Olivia socks. They just work really well. And I love these honeycomb style organizers for my bras. These are sports bras, workout tops. They just let me see all of them and I have a spot for all of them and they just work so great. You can adjust them depending on how many you need. You kind of clip them in together. And then these huge storage bags are great. They have handles. They have a window at the front so you can see what you're putting in them. I use it to store extra blankets, seasonal clothes. I have Olivia's toys in one of them in her room. Truly the possibilities are endless. I love that I finally have something to store all these gift bags and gifting supplies. This one holds so many of the big size ones, and then I can put like smaller ones down here. On the sides I can put wrapping paper, and then on the other side like tissue paper or any other supply. This was so nice to have during Christmas time too, but nice to have year round because I know exactly where to go if I need to pack up a present for any reason. And to store regular size ornaments or ornaments that are a little bit smaller, I use this bigger box that came with 8 of these, which is great because they fit so much. As you can see, dirty but not like heavy or anything like that, so I can just stick it in the attic until next year. Our master bathroom is pretty small and it doesn't have a lot of storage, so getting this over the toilet cabinet was a game changer for us. Freed up so much space inside our bathroom cabinet, but now we also have all the things we would need when we go to a bathroom, and it was only like 60 bucks. One of my favorite parts about IKEA cabinets are these little drawers that are extremely narrow. I wanted to find an organizer for all of my husband's like nails and things like that, so I found this one on Amazon. It's super thin, has so many little compartments, but people use it for jewelry, for medicines, for accessories, so many different uses, and it's literally 12 bucks. An organization find that we cannot live without, even though I have a Cricut, is this little labeling machine. I just love how simple it is. This is how I label our medicine bottles, how I label a lot of things like on a daily basis. I love the fact that it has multiple sizes. It works great. A few storage solutions for accessories and specifically jewelry. I really like this jewelry box. It's under $50. It comes in different colors. I think the size is perfect. You can keep it on top of your vanity or your dresser or inside your closet, and it looks really nice. It keeps almost all my jewelry now and I love it. If you want something a little bit smaller, you can use these velvet inserts in a drawer or your desk or something like that. But if you want something bigger, you can use this mirror jewelry cabinet. It locks, it has lighting inside, and as you can see, it has so many compartments to hang necklaces, to put your rings. It's amazing. It looks super nice, and I love the fact that it's like a hidden storage. Then I got this a while ago for my crossbody bags. As you can see, I mean, if you watch my channel, I have a lot of them, so I should probably get like 3 more. It makes it easier for me to find things. It just looks much nicer to be able to see them, and they don't like fall or stack or anything like that. I talk about this every year during Christmas time. It's a $20 sunglass organizer box. It's leather and it just looks really sleek. We have it actually by our entryway, that way we know exactly where our sunglasses are, and I love the fact that the glass top keeps them from getting dusty. This one is extremely niche, but I really did not like the case the Dyson Airwrap came in. I didn't like that I couldn't see everything, so I got this $50 wall mount for all the accessories and the actual Airwrap itself. I love it. I know it's like so unnecessary, but it has really helped me use my Dyson more. So if you're looking to store a Dyson, I highly recommend this. It comes in different colors, but I did spray paint mine. This right here is the definition of a storage solution. Before I found something like this, my Cricut vinyl were everywhere. All the colors in one. It's nice and slim. It's acrylic. It fits so many, and you can always like double them up, like roll 2 of them together. I love this thing, and my child is calling me. I get a lot of questions when I show these boxes over on Instagram, so I thought I would include it here so it would live here. I get these from the Home Edits line at Walmart. I get it online. I've bought these through the years in separate like bundles and things like that, but they're so inexpensive. They all stack on top of each other and they work so well. As you can see, I keep a lot of like party supplies, holiday stuff here. I still have to work on a few labels with my Cricut. That's where I do those. They're my all-time favorite thing. I use them all throughout the house. I'm sure you saw it like in our laundry room, under the sink in the kitchen. They are one of my favorite organization things. So guys, that's everything for today's video. I'm sure I will continue to share more organization finds in vlogs and in more YouTube videos, so definitely stay tuned for those. I will ask what category of Amazon you want to see next, but I've been promising the cleaning one for so long, so that will be the next one. Let me know what you guys want to see anyway. I'll definitely do whatever you guys want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.